So with this movement on GBPJPY, if you take a look at it right here, there's a possibility that GBPJPY is going to push up for it. So it's going to give us a bullish move for it. Now take a look at this trend right here. We are in an uptrend. This is our trend on GBPJPY. So first, we had this high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market was now able to push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market has now pushed up again to form an equal high. This now dropped to come back to tap our previous higher low right here. This is our previous higher low level. Now with such a movement, you should be expecting market to bounce from this level and push up. So if you can go in for the buy on your GBPJPY and hold your buy position, that will be perfect because in the long run, GBPJPY should continue to. So a bullish move, what we should be expecting on our GBP. So GBPJPY should continue to push up. So probably this is a possibility that market wants to form a double bottom right here. If market does that and it breaks this neckline, right? If market does that and it breaks this neckline, all you just need to do is very simple. Go in for your buy and hold your buy position. Remember, if only market can push on to break this neckline, then you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position, as we will be expecting more movement to the upside on GBP JPY. So more updates on this is going to be covered for you guys.